the first question. How many phases are involved in the census operation in India? Option number B, 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. As per Census 2011, which of the following states recorded negative growth in child sex ratio? Option number A, Maharashtra is the correct answer. Question number 3. When the analysis of population density is done by calculating it through net cultivated area, then the measure is termed as? Option number B is the correct answer, physiological density. Question number 4. According to the Census of India 2011, in rural India, which state has the maximum female workforce participation rate? Option number C is the correct answer, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 5. As per the definition of Census of India, a marginal worker is a person who works for? Marginal worker is a person who works for? Option number A, less than 183 days or 6 months in a year. Question number 6. The accelerated female literacy program was initiated in districts where the female literacy rate based on the 2001 census was dash. Option number C, below 30%. Question number 7. According to Census of India 2011, what is the gap between male and female literacy rate in India? Option number D, 16.68%. Question number 8. According to the Census of India 2011, which group of union territories recorded the highest sex ratio? Option number B, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 9. According to Census of India 2011, which union territory has the highest slum population? Option number D, Delhi is the correct answer. Question number 10. According to Census 2011, which district displays the highest population? Option number C, Thane is the correct answer. Question number 11. Who published the logistic equation model of population growth in 1838? Option number C, Pierre Francois Verhulst is the correct answer. Question number 12. Which group of union territories has the highest population density? Option number C is the correct answer, Delhi, Chandigarh and Puducherry. Question number 13. What was India's annual exponential growth rate as per 2011 census? Option number B, 1.64%. Question number 14. According to Census of India 2011, female adolescents in the age group of 10 to 19 years had a share of? Option number B, 47.3%. Question number 15. According to Census of India 2011, most people had out-migrated from dash to other states in India. Option number D, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Question number 16. The growth rate of India's population has been declining since? Option number C, 1981. Question number 17. After independence, the Census Act was enacted in India in the year? Option number D, 1948. Question number 18. According to the Census of India 2011, which state has the largest gap between male and female literacy rates? Option number C, Rajasthan is the correct answer. Question number 19. According to Census of India 2011, how many districts are there in India? Option number B, 640. 20. According to the Census of India 2011, which group of states has the least urban population? Option number C, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar. Question number 21. According to Census of India 2011, what was the sex ratio recorded in the Union Territory of Puducherry? Option number C, 1037 females per 1000 males. 22. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following states in the most urbanized? Option number B, Goa. 23. According to the Census of India 2011, which district in India has the lowest literacy rate in India? Lowest literacy rate district. Option number B, Alirajpur. 24. The density of population per kilometer square was dash person as per Census of India 2011. Option number A, 382. Question number 25. According to the Census 2011 of India, which metropolitan has the second highest population? Option number B, Delhi. 26. According to the Census of India 2011, which state has the lowest population growth rate? Lowest population growth rate state. Option number D, Nagaland. Question number 27. What was the child sex ratio in the country as per the Census of India 2011? Option number C, 919. Question number 28. As per the Census 2011, in which of the following states was the total population less than 10 lakh? Total population less than 10 lakh. Option number B, Sikkim. Question number 29. As per the Census 2011, the total absolute increase in population during the decade is dash. Option number A, 18.9 crore. Question number 30. According to the Census of India 2011, what is the sex ratio of females per 1,000 males of India? What is the sex ratio? Option number D, 943. 31. What is the literacy rate of males in India as per the report published by, in the National Survey of India 2022? 31. Option number D is the correct answer, 84.7%. 32. The dash results from an increase in the population of workers relative to non-workers in the population. Option number D, demographic dividend. Question number 33. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following states has the largest Buddhist population? Option number C, Maharashtra. Question number 34. With regard to the component of population density, which state is the odd one out of the following? 34. Option number C, Arunachal Pradesh. 35. What is the national female workforce participation rates as per the Census of India 2011? National female workforce participation rate. Option number C, 25.51%. 36. According to the Census of 2011, which of the following languages is spoken by the least population in India? Option number A, Sanskrit. Question number 37. Which union territory has the lowest literacy rate according to the Census of India 2011? Lowest literacy rate UT. 37. Option number A, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. 38. As per the Census 2011, what is the percentage of rural population in India? Option number D, 68.8%. Question number 39. The density of population is the crude relationship between humans and dash. Option number A, land. 40. As per the 2011 census, what is the density of population in Arunachal Pradesh? Option number D, 17 persons per kilometer square. 41. What is the density of population in any city of Delhi as per the 2011 census? Option number A, 11,320. 42. Which of the following is expressed as the total number of deaths per thousand population per year in India? Total number of deaths per thousand population per year in India. 42. Option number A, death rate. 43. According to the census 2011, what is the estimated percentage of people below the poverty line, BPL, in rural areas below the poverty line? 43. Option number D is the correct answer, 25.70%. 44. How many components are there which are core to the domain of population studies? 44. Option number A, 3 is the correct answer. 45. What is the percentage share of the population working in the agriculture sector as per the census of India 2011? Option number C, 0.546%. Question number 46. According to the census of India 2011, which of the following options represent a group of the most urbanized union territories in India? Option number B, Delhi and Chandigarh. Question number 47. According to the census of India 2011, which group of union territories of India has the highest literacy rate? Option number A, Lakshadweep and Daman and Diu. 48. According to the census of India 2011, which state union territory has the lowest sex ratio? State or union territory? 48. Here option number C is the correct answer, Daman and Diu. 49. As per the census of India 2011, which union territory recorded the lowest population growth rate? Option number A, Lakshadweep. 50. Which of the following states had the highest percentage of scheduled tribes in the country as per the census 2011? Option number C, Madhya Pradesh. 51. According to the census of India 2011, which state in India has the highest female literacy rate? Option number B, Kerala. 52. The population density of India as per the census of 1951 is? Option number A, 117 per square kilometer. 53. What is the crude death rate of India as per the census 2011? Crude death rate. 53. Option number D, 7.1%. 54. What was the percentage of India's population that belonged to the Muslim religion in 2011? 54. Option number A, 14.2%. 55. Which of the following periods is referred to as a period of stagnant of stationary phase of growth of India's population? Option number B, 1901 to 1921. 56. Which of the following periods is known as the period of population explosion in India? Option number A is the correct answer, 1981 to 2021. Question number 57. What does the Lincoln index measure? Option number A, population size. 58. The population of a nation in the working age group is generally grouped between? Option number C, 15 to 59 years. 59. Question number. In which of the following decades there was a negative growth rate in the Indian population? Option number A, 1911 to 1921. 60. According to the census 2011, which is the second largest religious minority of India? Option number A, Christians. 61. As per the census 2011, what is the total fertility rate in India? Option number B, 2.1 to 2.9. 62. If birth rate of a country is more than the death rate, then the population will dash. Option number C, increase. 63. Settlements in which house are built close to each other are called? Option number B, compact settlement. 64. According to the census 2011, what is the population nearest value of tribals in India? Option number C, 10.42 per crore. Question number 65. As per the census 2011, which among the following states has the highest sex ratio? Option number C, Meghalaya. 66. Which of the following states has the highest fertility rate in India according to the census 2011? Highest fertility rate. Number D is the correct answer, Bihar. 67. According to the socio-economic census 2015, which state has the largest population of households with destitute living on alms? Option number D, Odisha is the correct answer. 68. According to the census 2011, which of the following is the third lowest state in terms of literacy rate? Option number C, Rajasthan. 69. Half of India's population lives in just 5 states. Which of the following is one of those states? Option number D, West Bengal. 70. The distribution of population according to the different types of occupation is known as? Option number A, occupational structure.